Hey guys, VitoSoul here, and today I'm finally going to be making my keyboard. And what I have right here is the Keychron Q3. This is the knob edition TKL keyboard. And I bought this because, as you can see right now, in front of me, I have my Logitech keyboard Pro. I forget what it is, but it was my Logitech Pro keyboard. And it's not in the best condition. Well, it's my fault. I'm the one who punched it a bunch of times. It's survived for, I think, about 3 years. It's a pretty strong keyboard. And honestly, man, when you get those games that just piss you off, you just want to punch something. And this computer's been through a lot. I don't know if you can see this, but this keyboard is smiling. And the back of it, hold on, let me just flip it over. See? The feet are both broken off on the back. And I'm using dice to hold it up because I like my keyboard tilted up forward. That's me personally. I like using the feet on my keyboard, so that's why I needed a new keyboard. So I'm finally gonna like turn this one off. I'm just gonna move this one up there. And well, we can stop using these now. That keyboard I'm actually gonna use for my bed PC because I still need this keyboard because I love Logitech keyboards. And I was even worried too because I like the layout and I like everything about Logitech keyboards except for the plastic feet. But you know what? I'm finally gonna try and have my first custom one. And these are the switches I bought for it. I don't know how much, but I bought a lot of switches. As you can see, I bought so many switches for this keyboard. And I'm gonna install, I think it's like 10 containers. No, it's 12 containers of switches, and I think each container has 10 switches. I bought these, I know what you're gonna say, why did I buy it from Temu, out of all places, but I wanted to make a video. I was gonna make a video on Temu products, because I wanted to see if they were good. But I abandoned the video, because I'm like, nah, never mind. So you know what? We'll see if these Temu switches, these are supposed to be Gateron yellows from Temu. We'll see if these switches are actually good. Because I bought this without switches or keycaps. It's only just the board. That's what I ordered. So I'm gonna unbox this thing. Well, let's see what we have. As you can see, look at the back of it. I got the blue one because I love this gunmetal blue. It's what I originally wanted, so that's why I got that one. Let's use my my stainless steel blade. Yeah. And let's open this thing up. See, trying to open things and film it is not easy. I swear, I can't even see the seam. I wish my camera could go more out, but it's because of the, I don't know. I need a taller tripod. But for now, it's okay. You can still see it. I'm gonna flip it over. There we go. Okay. Who the You'll have to give me notifications now? Like, really? Are you kidding me? There's more tape? There is more tape. There can't be more tape. There's no way. There's no more tape. Come on. Open. Open. Good Lord. Can you please just open? open the freaking box, damn it. There we go, finally. Box is open. I know my desk is a little bit of a mess, but what is it called? I do work on a lot of stuff on this desk, but I eventually am going to clean this desk up. But yeah, I do a lot of work on it, so that's why it's a bit of a mess. All right, let's see what we got. All right. Oh yeah, that's a good tip. Make sure they're straight. Let's actually check one of these. I really hope I didn't fuck up and buy the wrong. I know most people would say to lube them, but you know what? That's going to take forever. And I never really cared about lubing switches. I think they're alright. So you know what? I'm not going to bother lubing them myself because I'm used to a blue... This is a blue keyboard. A blue mechanical keyboard. Oh, it comes with a nice cable. Look at this Type-C cable. Wow, I like the color they chose too. And, well, it comes with an adapter. The same thing that my monitor came with. Not my monitor. My portable monitor came with. And, yeah. It's pretty cool. This will actually look pretty cool on my desk. It'll match. And, let's finally open this thing up. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh, lordy. Good lord. This thing is fucking heavy. Okay, hold on. This baby's really heavy. I don't think I'll be breaking this one. The other one still works, by the way. So that keyboard over there still works. It's just, it's smiling. Okay. No, this thing is legit heavy, man. Like, this thing really... Oh, lordy. Well, 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 would you look at that? This looks pretty cool. Oh, the knob feels great. I'm just testing it out right now. Oh, this feels good. And oh, by the way, for what I use for my mouse is a G502 Lightspeed. I have the wire on right now. And I bought a second one of these because my bed setup, I want a good wireless mouse, and Logitech makes the best wireless mouse, in my opinion. They've made for years, and I think they're still pretty good. So now I'm gonna painstakingly put all these in. So stick around. And now we're done putting all the keys in the keyboard. And I think I might have bought too much because I'm left with 3 in this box. And I have like this many containers left. So good news is if any of them break, I could simply just replace it with one of these. So I have a lot of spares. It's good. And now for my keys, no, my keycaps, which I also bought from Temu, which there's nothing wrong with that if they're a good deal. I bought these ones. There's no branding I'm not sure, but I think these are double shot. I forget what they are, but I bought them because I like the look and the color. They match what kind of theme I'm going for, so here we go. And they're perfectly in order, so that's actually pretty cool. Honestly, I love the dark blue color, so I'm gonna put these on my keyboard. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to see my what is it called? I won't be able to see the the RGB through it because I originally wanted that because of my Logitech, but hopefully it'll still look good and RGB will go through the between, but it won't go through the top because it's printed on top. There's no see-through. But maybe I'll change that up eventually, but right now I kind of like this. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, now I'm done putting all the keys on the keyboard. Let's do a sound test. And let's compare it to my old keyboard, which you'll probably hear through the microphone. Okay, I'm not going to press all the keys. Actually, no, screw it, doesn't matter. Yeah, my old keyboard was loud compared to my new one. I actually like the look of it, and here, I'm gonna show it here too. This thing's heavy, by the way, so this thing looks beautiful. I even like the keys, even though they're from Temu. These keys look awesome. And the knob up here, well, right here, it feels really nice. You can also change it, I think you can change it to a different color, I don't know. But I know that's with a different keyboard, but still, I think it looks great. And the metal finish, it looks just like my controller. Let me get my controller for a second. My Xbox controller that I did a video on, if you guys want to take a look at that, which I got custom done. But see, look, this is my Xbox controller. Yep. See the gunmetal finish, the blue, it looks the same. And honestly, that's what I was going for. So that's why I got it, because I wanted to look like my controller. Because this I use for playing GTA when I want to fly, because this helps me fly. And sometimes I want to chill back, lie down, sit back and drive around in GTA or any other driving game. I just feel like lying back sometimes you just feel like lying back with the controller. It's not... Anyways, I like how it looks, and we're gonna test it out with... we should plug it up. I know, this is all a mess right now. So, here's a quick look at the RGB, and honestly, I think that looks good. I know this light's shining, like the white light that I'm using for my camera is shining over it, but it does look pretty cool. And honestly, I thought I was gonna hate not having it go through the keys like my Logitech one, but I do like the look of it, and I'm having it on rainbow so you can see it, but I'm gonna go into the software and make it blue. But I think it looks really cool. It looks really great in person if you guys seen it. But yeah, I like the look of it. Now we have to go to VIA, whatever it's called, keyboard software. There we go. I hope this is it for Keychron, right? I'm just looking at this because I've never... Why do they love Macs? I don't understand. They love Macs. They love Macs so much that when I got my keyboard... this switch on the back, by the way, there's a switch. Hold on. There's a switch. It was on Mac. I had to switch it to Windows. I don't know why that's a thing. Why it's automatically switched to Mac. Like what? You think I'm gonna spend this much money on a beautiful keyboard like this and use it on a crappy, underpowered Mac? What, do you think I'm stupid? No. So yeah, that's pretty stupid, but I fixed it and switched it back to Windows because if you're buying this kind of keyboard for a Mac, then you're stupider than you already... I don't know, I'm trying to make this sound good, but you're stupid. You're just stupid. Don't. Because you're gonna waste money on a stupid Mac, then you're obviously just stupid. I know I cannot come up with a good insult. But it's just stupid Mac people are buying this because they don't even game. I understand if you edit and you want a nice comfortable keyboard and you're like, oh, you like work, you want to edit videos and whatever, or you want something for a good typing experience. I guess a lot of people on Mac do get work. Let me see. A lot of people do. Okay, fine. I guess they edit on Final Cut and Adobe Pro, whatever the fuck they like to use there on the Macs. So yeah, fine. If you're an editor, then I understand you get this keyboard if you love to use Mac. But other than that, don't. Just gamers, y'all know it. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, let's go and is there software I can download? How do I do this? So this is the only way to control your keyboard. You have to go here. I'm gonna quickly go back and look at the look at here. So settings. Wait, no, stop. It's gonna quickly just show design. Okay, let's just try that. Oh, at least they know the layout I'm going for. It's weird because I'm used to using... Can I change, like, the lighting? I just want lights, man. Come on. Lighting. I'm trying to go for Logitech Blue because I love Logitech Blue. I even might change my logo to that There we go. Oh, that actually works. Okay, look, see? I switched it to electric blue, and you can't see it because it looks like it's lighting it up. It looks weird. It looks like it's white, but trust me, that's blue. And I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, honestly, I like it. And that's what I'm gonna go for. I'm going to close it out. Oh shit, wrong one. Scene 3. I have to fix scene 3. Anyways, it worked. I just clicked it and it set it up. So now I'm gonna close. God, this wire is. I gotta fix it later. Hold on. So that managed to work. I just read the instruction manual and it told me to download this, and this is how you control your lighting. I hope it saves it. If there's a way to save, oh, whatever. I'm gonna close it and hope it stays. If it doesn't stay, that's stupid, but whatever. At least I know what to download. Actually, let me just I want to save. No. Authorize. Yep. I wanna done bookmarking this. Okay, so we're gonna plus out, and it's bookmark up here, just in case I need to change it out later. But that's all I need. There we go. So now we're gonna open up Call of Duty. It's been a minute. I'm gonna switch cameras. We're gonna open up COD. I haven't played COD in a while. I've been busy playing other games like Finals. I kind of slacked off on that, to be honest. And Lethal Company. I played a lot of that. Well, I'd say 10 hours. It's not as much as most people, but it was fun. But man, those coil heads are freaking scary. I have not played this game in a while, so forgive me if I am dog shit. Oh my god, no! I told you I'm rusty. Wow, you suck. This is my first game back. Oh, never mind. Oh, no. Oh, he's camping. Oh, of course, yeah. The one thing that's never going to change about Call of Duty is campers. They don't have a life. They suck at... I'm so bad. Oh, okay, I'm bad. I don't know how to use this shit. I didn't know you can dual wield. I actually didn't know you can dual wield. I don't remember that being a thing, but whatever. What am I doing? We can win this. Hold on. Why is my slide? Where's my slide? You fuck. God damn it. Fucking. Oh, no. Fuck, man. This. I get dropped into a game that I'm already losing. Beautiful. Fucks. Like, why are you camping? Oh my god, my aim is so bad. Fucking A. Oh, wow. Wow, okay, beautiful. Been a minute. Really? No. It did no. Why are you protecting that stupid... No, switch what? Every time you switch weapons, it's not a myth, it's a freaking... That was the worst one yet. But I know the keyboard works, but I don't know about every key, so I'm gonna use a tester. That was a horrible match to go into. Honestly. The game does feel a lot better though than 2. I'm not gonna lie. 2 felt sluggish. The third, this one feels faster. Here we go, keyboard checker. Okay, good. Okay, so T doesn't work. I can quickly change that. A works. D, F, G, H, J, K, L, whatever that is. Enter is the only one not working, so just I'll be back. Let me get something. All right. me just switch back to this one. It got bent, so I'm gonna bend it back. It probably still works. Let's pretend we don't have extra switches and put it back in there. But yeah. Okay, it works, see? So, and I have a box of switches, but I rather, let me show you. I switched it out, and it works. All the keys work, and I guess buying switches on Temu was a good idea. Not only did I buy the switches from Temu, I bought the keycaps from Temu, and honestly, I'm happy with my purchase. I know Temu is like a site that's trying to like make it look like you're getting a good deal or whatever. I just wanted to try it out and see if the products are legit. Some products are just cheap knockoff, some products are fake, but these switches, I believe they're real. Or if they're a clone, they're a pretty damn good clone, because these feel nice. Like, I love the feel of these. This is my favorite. These switches feel so much better than the blues. And honestly, it works great. Like, take a look at that. You gotta tell me that looks good. Anyways, I have to go back to the software again and do it. Because, I accidentally thinged. So, let me just open it up. And, via... Authorize. Solid color. There we go. And there we go. Looks good to me. Anyways, that's the keyboard review, and honestly, I think it's pretty good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me building my keyboard and showing you how everything works. And if you guys want to buy one of these keyboards, you guys should just go to Keychron. I think it's keychron.com or .ca, I don't remember, depending on where you live. And you can pick up one of these keyboards because honestly, they're really good. They're a little pricey, but they are, honestly, in my opinion, it's the perfect keyboard. This is my first custom keyboard, and I love the metal finish and how durable it is. I'm not going to try slamming it, obviously, but it's pretty good keyboard. So, yeah. I'm in love with this keyboard, and, yeah, this is the keyboard I'm going to use. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon in the next video.